Because every single change that you make in your home, every little thing, doesn't matter what it is going to have an impact on your space. It's either going to have a positive impact on your space or it's going to have a negative impact on your space, but it is going to have an impact for sure on your space. And the other thing that I want to say that is 100% the truth, if you, when you make a positive impact on a room in your home, you are also making a positive impact ultimately on your life and on your family's life, because you are changing the way that you feel in the space. You're changing the way that the space visually looks. You're changing your mood when you're in the space. You're changing the functionality of the space, which in turn changes everything. So it's like a big deal, y'all. It's not just, I want to make my room pretty. You want to make your life better, right? And I believe that by creating your home sweet home and loving your home and just being comfortable there and wanting to spend time there with your family, your friends, invite people in, whatever it is, that's a good thing. Like, that changes more than just what you see.